Question number 156. Uremia is. Uremia is elevated level of urea in blood or accumulation of urea in blood. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Uremia is elevated level of urea in blood. Option number 2, elevated level of urea in urine is incorrect. Option number 3, deposition of uric acid in joints is incorrect. This is gout that will lead to inflammation in joints. The fourth option is deposition of uric acid in bones is also incorrect. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss the next question, which is question number 157. Abnormal quantity of which substance will be found in urine of an individual who have been fasting or starving for many days? Options given are option number 1, glucose and fructose, option number 2, proteins or amino acids, option number 3, ketone bodies, and option number 4, cholesterol and phospholipids. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3, ketone bodies. Ketonuria is a condition in which body produces excess ketone bodies. It is observed in starvation and diabetes mellitus. So the correct answer is option 3, whereas option number 1, 2 and 4 are incorrect options. So the correct answer is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 158. Match the types of joints given in column 1 with the bones involved in column 2. In column 1, the very first option given is ball and socket, and it is a type of joint present between humerus and pectoral girdle. So A in column 1 matches with the fourth option in column 2. The second option in column 1 is hinge joint, and it is present between femur and tibia. So B in column 1 matches with the third option in column 2, and this forms knee joint. The third option in column 1 is C, which is pivot, and pivot joint is present between the first cervical vertebrae atlas and axis. So C in column 1 matches with the second option in column 2, and the last option in column 1 is saddle joint, which is present between carpal and metacarpal of human thumb or metacarpal of thumb. So D in column 1 matches with the first option in column 2. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2, where A matches with 4, B with 3, C with 2 and D with 1. So the correct answer is option number 2. Let's discuss the next question. Question number 159. Read the following statement with respect to mechanism of muscle contraction and choose the correct option. Statement A says, functional unit of contraction is a portion of myofibril between two successive Z lines. And this is a correct statement because this functional unit of contraction, which is sarcomere, and it is a portion which is present between two successive Z lines. Statement B says I band gets reduced during contraction, whereas A band retain its length, is also a correct statement. And as both the statements are correct, so the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Both statements are correct. Option 2, both statements are incorrect, is incorrect. Option number 3, only statement A is correct, is incorrect. And option number 4, only statement B is correct, is also incorrect. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 160. The innermost layer of the human eyeball is, and the options are retina, cornea, sclera, choroid, and the correct answer to this question is option number 1, retina. Retina is the innermost layer. Retina is followed by choroid, which is followed by sclera layer, and this is the outermost layer, as retina is the innermost layer. So option number 3 and option number 4 is incorrect, and option number 2, cornea, is also an incorrect option. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 161.